Do you suffer from burnout when you're exploring a new location? Want to avoid that in the future? Coming up. Welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. My name's Michelle, and every Tuesday I share a practical and helpful travel tip to save you time, money, and headaches. Today is all about burning yourself out when you're exploring a new location. Now, this will happen in major tourist areas, especially in Europe or any major cities that you're out to explore. Because there's just so much to see and do, it's really hard to figure out how to get it all in the limited amount of time that you have. So our first trip to Spain, we were in Malaga and we wanted to explore as much as humanly possible. And we were getting up literally at 6 a.m. every single day and driving all over the region to see as much as we possibly could. It was our first European trip. We didn't know if we'd be back. We had a car and we just hit the road and ran ourselves absolutely ragged. And because of that, we really didn't get to appreciate as much as we would have liked. Towards the end of our trip, we were going to Granada to see the Alhambra. And because we got sidetracked and started looking at other things and exploring the city, we missed really being able to appreciate it because it was so close to closing. So my tip for you is to really plan out your must-sees, your major attractions that you absolutely cannot miss. And then only plan to see one per day. Don't sit there and try to pack in 5 major sites in one day. Number one, you're not going to get to see them all. Number two, even if you happen to run around and see them all, you're not going to get to really experience them or appreciate them. And really, isn't that why you're going to visit it? So you can experience it and really appreciate it for what it is, learn about its history, and really just absorb everything. You can't do that if you're running around like a chicken with your head cut off. So make sure you only plan one major site per day. And then you can fill the rest of your day with minor sites. You can fill the rest of your day with time to wander the streets and explore, finding those hidden gems that you wouldn't have found had you been rushing from site to site to site. Travel is about the experience. And if you're rushing from site to site, you're not traveling. You are being a tourist. And I think you should be a traveler. If you found today's tip helpful, give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because every Tuesday I come out with a brand new travel tip and you don't want to miss a thing. Please put your comments below. I'd love to know what you guys would like to learn as far as traveling goes and tips and recommendations of how to save some time, money, and headaches when you're going around exploring this great world of ours. Put them in those comments below. Thanks again for watching Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. Until next time, travel safe.